What's the meaning of autopilot? Autopilot. Autopilot.
Autopilot. Autopilot. Autopilot refers to a system that uses sensors, algorithms, and other tools to control a vehicle or machine without the need for constant human input. The result is increased efficiency, safety, and convenience. In the case of airplanes, autopilot technology allows the aircraft to automatically perform tasks such as maintaining altitude, course, and speed, while reducing pilot workload. In the automotive industry, self-driving cars use autopilot to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and park themselves. Autopilot has the potential to revolutionize transportation by improving accuracy, reducing human error, and freeing up time for other tasks.